8:21. Go time. My husband usually folds the laundry for me, but since I was home and not at work today, I decided to get that chore out of the way for him. So when he got home, he wouldn't have to worry about that. I really don't mind folding the laundry, but I super don't mind him folding the laundry for me. Now I'm just responding back to my son's teacher about how, yes, we can get online and complete some of his work before I take him to school. The roads were just too icy to take them right then. I've tried taking my kids to school when my district is delayed before, and we almost went off the road. So now I just wait until I feel like the roads are safe and then take them to their school. Their school is in the next town about 25 minutes away. Just put it all in the basket, and then I'll take the basket upstairs. Time to sweep the floors. My husband had actually just helped me sweep these floors this weekend, so there wasn't a whole lot on there, but with having 2 dogs, it's just super helpful to stay on top of it. Now I've gone into the front entryway. This is another area that for some reason just seems to collect a lot of the dog hair from our animals. So I like to sweep in here at least every other day. Gonna see my kids walking by. Like I said, they are all at home today. See me getting all the dog fur off the end of a broom. Gonna throw that away. Time to wet Swiffer. I actually am using the Scentiva coconut scented floor mop things, and it just smells so good like summer. It's my favorite. They're really hard to find right now because of COVID, but I found some when I was at the store and got really excited. So now on to chopping the sweet potatoes. I don't know if anyone else has a really hard time cutting sweet potatoes, but I just cannot get the knife to go through. Like, hang on, wait for it. You'll see me like basically karate chop my sweet potatoes because I can't. The cutting board that I'm using, my husband made for me. I love it. I thought maybe if I cut it down in the middle, that would work, but no, that's not gonna work. Then I decide to chop it like this. Just make sure your hand's out of the way if you're gonna whack it like this. I mean, it gets the job done, so now I'm just putting all the sweet potatoes into a bowl, and I'm going to mix in some olive oil and some chipotle seasoning. This sauces for our dinner tonight. We are having cilantro lime burrito bowls, and it's going to have the sweet potatoes, black beans, and corn, and then the cilantro lime rice. I like to roast my sweet potatoes in the air fryer. It's just a lot faster, and I can walk away and not worry about them. On to taking out multiple pages from math books for my students. If you have ever tried to ask a 6-year-old to find page 253, you will understand why I pull out all of their workbook pages for them. I know some teachers don't do this and think that the kids need to learn how. For my own sanity, I just like to pull them out. Now I'm going to show you. Wait, nope, I'm not yet. Yep, I'm going to show you. Those are all the workbooks and my stacks of paper for next week.
Not a hot mess.
So they're almost all set. I still need to staple them.
Let's get her done.
But first, I'm going to pack up all the workbooks. I keep them all in that bag right behind our couch in the other living room. And I just pull it out when I'm ready and put them away when I'm done pulling out the pages. I love the Big 31 tote bag. Easy to bring things back and forth between home and school. I have a weekly organizer at school that I will file these math pages into for, Monday's math, Tuesday's math. So I will just go ahead and file those away when I get to school tomorrow for next week. A week's worth of math.